Okay, here the ice cream. Hey everybody, the ice cream truck's here. I better go wait for my mom to get money. Alright, the good harmer's back in service. Everybody, ice cream truck is in service. Yes, Pinkie Pie. You want to get some ice cream? But first we have to wait. Yeah. I don't have the money. I have to wait till my mom gets down. Alright, here we go. Let's test the music. Whoa. Alright. Play the music. I'm recording. Play the music on the speaker. Here we go. Let's test. Alright. Yes. Alright. I would like, alright, she's here. Alright, I would like, have a ice cream sandwich, please. Hey, every pony, I'm getting the ice cream sandwich. Alright, alright. 5, alright. Alright, everybody, here's my ice cream sandwich. Sorry. Alright, bye. Alright, everybody, I got the ice cream. Yes. Yes. Alright, Elinor and Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie, you already saw Mr. Softy. Now we got Good Harmer. Yeah. Alright, everybody, I got the ice cream sandwich. Let's watch the ice cream truck leave. And here it goes. Number block 1, I got ice cream. Oh yeah. Zadie. Yeah. Zeke. Yeah. We're gonna open it just for a few minutes. And then we'll go near Rochelle quick. Because we have to go run some. Alright. Here's the ice cream. Alright, that's it. After that, we're gonna hear the bells. You ready? Yeah, Pinkie Pie likes it. Zeke, number block 1, Zadie. We'll get the other plushes when we go to New Rochelle. Yeah. I'm number block 1. What's the piece of cake truck in New York City? The mover truck? 1 minute for the bells, which is this building behind. The playground looks nice. I would like to come. Alright, number block 1, go. Zadie, you could go too. Hey everybody, let's go on the playground. Let's go to a different slide. Ready? Zadie, go. Yeah. Number block 1. That was fun. All right, let's go back to the ice cream that I just sit. Okay. It's 6 o'clock. Oh yeah. It's 6 a.m. 6 a.m. 5 Nights at Freddy's. Oh yeah. 1. 6 a.m. Yay. The kids are laughing at 5 Nights at Freddy's 6 a.m. Yeah, that was so funny. All right, let's not do that. Look at that gate. I think it's automatic, I'm not sure. I think I hear another church, I'm not sure.